Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
Safety should come first while using a drone. The drone's primary parts, the propellers, might suffer serious damage if they come into contact with anything. Propeller safeguards are an essential item for every drone owner in order to prevent such accidents. We'll talk about some of the top DJI Mini 3 Pro propeller guards in this video. On number 1, we have StartRC Propeller Guard. The StartRC Propeller Guard is one of the top choices for propeller guards for the DJI Mini 3 Pro. This guard, which is made of high-quality, lightweight material, offers a solid barrier of defense for the drone's propellers. The guard's sleek and slender design keeps it from adding weight to the drone and preserves its aesthetic appeal. The StartRC Propeller Guard's snap-on build makes it simple to put on and take off. Once fastened, it prevents the propellers from slamming into things or surfaces, lowering the possibility of mishaps. The guard also works to keep the propellers from breaking or getting damaged, which can help you avoid having to replace them or pay for repairs. This protection is also designed to match the demands of the DJI Mini 3 Pro and does not obstruct the drone's sensors or flight capabilities. The fact that it is offered as a set of 4 further ensures that all of the propellers are well protected. On number 2, we have Yeteeth Propeller Guard. Another excellent choice for individuals wishing to increase safety when using their DJI Mini 3 Pro is the Yeteeth Propeller Guard. This propeller guard is strong and long-lasting because it was made with premium materials. The design of the Yeteeth Propeller Guard is one of its most distinctive features. The Yeteeth Propeller Guard is an excellent choice for those who don't want to drastically raise the weight of their drone because it is slimmer and lighter than some other guards. The Yeteeth Propeller Guard's ease of installation is another advantage. You just need to attach safeguards to your drone and you're ready to go. In addition, the guard is well fitted, reducing the chance of unneeded movement while flying. Overall, individuals who wish to prioritize safety without sacrificing style or utility will love the Yeteeth Propeller Guard. Any DJI Mini 3 Pro owner would find it to be the best option because to its sleek and lightweight design and simple installation process. On number 3, we have PGYTECH Propeller Guard. The PGYTECH Propeller Guard offers excellent propeller protection and is especially made for the DJI Mini 3 Pro. The protection doesn't significantly increase the weight of your drone because it is built of sturdy, high-quality materials that are also lightweight. The PGYTECH Propeller Guard's simple installation process is one of its greatest features. The guard is held in place by a safe locking mechanism and simply attaches onto the arms of your drone. Due to its simplicity of installation and removal as required, it is a useful connection to have when using your DJI Mini 3 Pro. The transparent design of the PGYTECH Propeller Guard is just another great quality. This implies that whether you're shooting pictures or making videos, it won't hinder the camera's vision. Even with the propeller guard in place, you'll be able to record transparent, breathtaking video without any problems. Overall, if you're searching for a trustworthy and simple-to-use propeller guard for your DJI Mini 3 Pro, the PGYTECH Propeller Guard is an excellent choice. It is an essential piece of gear for anyone looking to improve safety and protect their drone's propellers due to its strength and ease of installation. On number 4, we have Venmate Propeller Guard. The Venmate Propeller Guard is yet another excellent option for propeller guards for the DJI Mini 3 Pro. High-quality ABS plastic was used in the creation of this guard, which makes it both strong and light. The Venmate Propeller Guard's straightforward installation design is one of its most notable characteristics. The protection simply clamps into the arms of the drone, guaranteeing a tight fit. Additionally, the guard is specifically made to not obstruct the drone's sensors, allowing you to fly with assurance that the performance of your drone won't be hampered. The Venmate Propeller Guard is a good option for shielding your DJI Mini 3 Pro against unintentional collisions and crashes. It is a fantastic alternative for both beginning and expert pilots because to its lightweight yet strong design, simple installation procedure, and anti-collision light. So, these are some of the best propeller guards for DJI Mini 3 Pro to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe to my channel for future updates.